Hello, my name is Evgenia, and today we will paint a picturesque windmill in the mist. Together, we'll learn how to combine different tints and create a smooth, luminous gradient. This class is perfect for all levels and will help you unlock the secrets of watercolor paper and paint for truly stunning results. You will also learn how to build a color palette using just 3 colors to achieve soft, natural tones. We will also explore simple materials that add beautiful texture to your artwork. After masking the sun without using masking fluid, we will paint a magical misty gradient and finish the piece with fine details to create a glowing landscape in golden light. I've been a professional artist for many years, focusing exclusively on watercolors. I've always been captivated by the magic of this medium. I started to paint when I was a child, but as I grew, I had no idea how to improve or how to create the effect that I wanted. I didn't know any of the techniques or how to use them. Now I've taken part in exhibitions and been fortunate enough to win rewards from such highly regarded organizations as International Watercolor Society, Helvet Art, Light Space Time, Art Show International, and Royal Talents. Watercolor can be challenging to manage for those who start to use this medium, which is why it's my intention to help you to enjoy watercolors and to learn it in an easy and fun way. In the step-by-step lessons, you can see the hand and brush movements clearly from different points of view. We will explore versatile and fundamental watercolor techniques that you can use in all your paintings and sketches. The approach of my classes is to start with an easy wash. As we proceed with the painting step by step, we will add more details, completing the artwork. If you have any struggles or difficulties along the way, you can start a discussion and I will read and respond to all your questions. Remember to hit the follow button next to the class title, just below the video. By doing so, you'll stay updated and be among the first to receive updates on my upcoming classes and exclusive giveaways. Discover free watercolor tips and tutorials by following me on Instagram and YouTube. Jump to the next lesson and let's start painting.